Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be shopping at the Dollar Tree. I have 12 gift cards and I need to make little gift baskets for them. So the themes that I'm doing are spa day, movie night, and coffee lover. And I also found some really cute printables on Pinterest, so I'll link that all down below. There's also some other gift basket ideas. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. For the spa basket, I think these little shower fizzies are pretty good. I've used them before. It's a eucalyptus and spearmint, and they're pretty lightly scented. They're not overwhelming, but I'm gonna get 4 of these. They also have these little sets that comes with a body wash and then bath bomb. Since I'm getting the shower steamers, I'm gonna skip this one, but this is also something else you could put in your basket. They also have these big size charcoal bath bombs. There's the ingredients, so mostly sodium bicarbonate. They also have these little facial brushes and these polishing cloths. They have a couple different mask options, so I think I'm gonna go with 4 of these. This is the Freeman Cleansing Clay Mask. They also have a brand name facial cleansing sponge. This is by Eco Tools and it says bamboo charcoal. But since I'm getting the masks, I think I'm also gonna skip this, but this would be a really cute option. I'm not gonna get these, but they're really relaxing. I have one of these. I really like it. So if you're looking for some other options, this is really good. It's the under eye massager. If you have sinus issues, this feels so good. They also have a little LA Colors lip balm in the shape of a macaroon. How cute is that? And it says this is meant to be. Oh, I haven't seen these before. They're silicone makeup blenders. Those look actually pretty good. They also have these motorized facial massagers. So from what I've heard about these is they're actually pretty good. There's on, off, and open, so you can put a battery in. I don't think it comes with a battery, but these look pretty good, and they're in different colors too. So there's purple, teal, and pink. I'm also going to add a candle, so I'm looking at the different options. This one is really cute. It says Copper Sands. And Golden Citron, Rolling Tide. But I think I'm gonna do these 2 of these toasted marshmallows and then 2 of these. They both smell really good. And I have Bath and Body Works toasted what is it? It's something fire roasted marshmallows, and this smells just like it, and then this one smells just like Christmas. So 2 of these and then 2 of those. Oh, I found some more of those Christmas candles, so I'm just gonna replace 2 of them with these 2, just because I want to keep them all the same, and I thought those smelled really good. I think these head wrap towels would be perfect for this spa basket. So they're just like little turby towels. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. They come in blue, pink, purple, and teal. And I think to go with the colors I have so far, I'm gonna do teal, if I can find them. Okay, perfect. So they do have 4 teal. These also look really good. They're shampoo massagers, and they come in different colors. There's teal, pink, purple, and then there's some eye masks. This would be really good. I feel like I have enough right now, so I'm not going to get anything else. But those also look really good. And then these brushes, like little loofahs and bath brushes. If I had a bigger budget, there's really so many things. There's these eye masks, leopard and zebra, these face scrubbers, light up mirrors. Those are so good. They also have little caboodles. I think I need to get these for my daughters for stocking stuffers. What is this? Body Master Carnivore. Little nail polish sets. You could also do like a little pedicure set. So they have the little loofahs, the pumice stone and brush, a foot scraper, little manicure sets. They also have some John Frieda hair mask. This says it's damage and repairing with vitamin A, blonde brightening, and vibrancy enhancing. These also look really good to put in a basket or stocking stuffers. They're Dove beauty creams, and they have this pink one. I'm not sure what the difference is. And then they also have the blue. Oh, so the blue is intensive. It's 24-hour moisturizer. These facial rollers also look really good. Here's another kind of foot scrubber. So they have those and those. A nail brush set, and then covers. So lots of different baskets you could do, and also nail polishes. They have a few of these different little vase tins, metal vases. And I think I'm going to use these for the spa. These are kind of good too. For the spa gift basket. For the coffee basket, I think I'm going to go with 4 of these wired ones. I'm not going to use these, but how cute are these burlap totes? One says Farmer's Market, feeling spacey, and You Are Magic. I just thought those are so good for $1. They also have some buffalo check storage bins. I haven't seen these, but for $1, those aren't bad. They have some fabric masks out. I guess these look pretty good for like a guy for a stocking stuffer. There's bowling and golf. These look like golf. Little golf course. For the coffee basket, I'm gonna do these. They're the Pyroline wafers and chocolate hazelnut. I've had these before, they're really good. And then also for the coffee baskets, I'm gonna do these syrups. So they only have vanilla flavored. These little packages of coffee actually look pretty good. So I'm also gonna do 1 each of these. There's not too many mug options left. I kind of like these. So maybe if I do 1 of each of these. I kind of like this snowman a little more. I really wanted the travel cups because I really like those, but they don't have any more. So I think I'm gonna go with the Santas. These muffins actually look really good for the coffee basket. So I'm only seeing blueberry. Oh, and there's chocolate. For the movie basket, these little popcorn bags look super cute. And then for candy, I originally wanted to go for these, but if they're allergic to peanuts, I'm thinking maybe, or they don't like peanuts, maybe we should just do these. I think they both remind me of the movie theater, so I'm gonna do these. I think for the movie basket, I'm gonna also do 1 of these. So 1 of these, 1 of these, and then also that. Now that I have everything, I'm gonna get some of this clear cellophane. They also have some really pretty ribbon to tie it with, so I think I'm gonna go with the snowflakes and maybe a red glitter. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys an idea of what the baskets look like. I do need some more like tissue paper, and I'm gonna put the gift cards in there like I said. So that's the movie basket, and I'm gonna get 4 more of those. The spa basket and the coffee basket. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got some really good gift inspiration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.